Hi addicts, today I will be unboxing the Boya OMIC-D or the wireless lavalier, and this is what is inside the box, just a plain manual and warranty card, and it comes with its own charging case, which is very nice by the way, and a charging wire and these ear mufflers, and this is a two-piece wireless microphone and a connector that you plug into your phone. So I chose the one that's made for the iPhone, but they also have the USB-C type. So you just remove the sticker so that you can charge it on the case, and it automatically turns on when you take it out. So there are 3 light modes that you should remember. The first one being the blue light, which means that it is on or paired, and there is no need to pair it to your Bluetooth because you just plug on the connector. The green is for noise cancellation, and the red is for muting the microphone. Now, the audio that I'm recording from is from the microphone itself. So this is me using the microphone without any noise cancellation. As you can see, it is on blue. Now let us double click to turn on the noise cancellation mode, which is on green. If you can hear, there is a slight difference, and but you can still hear the hissing sounds and the air sounds coming from my voice, especially if I put the microphone or pin the microphone here on my shirt. So we can cancel out the air sounds using the windbreaker, which is very cute because it's a rainbow color. Let me just put it on. So now I have the fluffy windbreaker on the microphone, and this is how I sound. Check if there is any difference. Now it's on no noise cancellation mode, but it has the windbreaker, and the distance right now is here pinned on my shirt. This is how it picks up noise in the background as well, as there is a bit of noise in my background as well. So I'll turn on the noise cancellation with the windbreaker so that you can get the difference. Okay, so it is on green and there is a noise cancellation on the microphone. So what do you guys think? Because the thing I love about this is that it has a charging case, so you don't have to charge the mic directly on power, or when you're traveling and you use up the juice, you can simply just charge it on its charging case, and also use the strong magnet it has on the back. Put it on your shirt and it definitely won't fall off because of the strong magnet. There. And there is a locking mechanism on the back where it locks with this, and it automatically charges when you put it on the case. So I'm not sure if the battery drains out or it stops charging on its own, because I haven't tried that yet and there are no information on that. So I'll use this in a few days and I'll find out and I'll let you know. So if you're asking me if the Boya OMIC-D is worth it, then we'd have to first look at the pros. So it is wireless charging. It has its own charging case. It works up to 50 meters and you don't need to connect it to Bluetooth. It has noise cancellation and the battery lasts up to 15 hours fully charged. There are some cheaper Boya mics out there, like for example the popular ones you see on TikTok, but it only lasts up to 9 hours and there is no noise canceling feature. So if you have a few bucks to spare, you can go ahead and grab this. But if you are a beginner blogger, then go for the more budget friendly Boya mic. So that's it. And if you have any products that you wish for me to review, then go ahead and just send me a DM, and I'll do my best to make a proper review of it. Till then,